Hello, this is Nanook here, and yeah, today we're gonna make another video, and I still haven't got any comments of what I should make next, so I'm really up to that. So yeah, if you guys could leave any comments, and yeah, I'd appreciate that. And yeah, okay, so what Ignacio told me to do is, Ignacio, he's not here today. He told me to do the salt and ice challenge. I already did that, but I guess I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see. It's gonna be painful. I couldn't find any salt.